Hello, in today's video we're going to be performing a software upgrade on the RT-500-M display control unit. To receive these update files, please contact Earth Data International by email or through our website. Before we begin, here are a few safety precautions to keep in mind. Make sure the DCU has a stable power supply. Don't plug in or unplug anything during the update process. Avoid moving the DCU while it's running. Do not remove the USB stick. Do not power off the DCU until the update has finished. Not following these precautions could cause permanent damage to the DCU. For this upgrade, we'll need a 29mm wrench, a micro USB to USB adapter cable, and a USB stick 8GB or larger. Now, let's prepare the USB for the update. Download the update file given by Earth Data International. Once downloaded, we'll need to unzip the files and then copy them into the root directory of our USB stick. With the DCU powered down, let's use the wrench to remove the service cap on the back of the DCU. You'll notice there are some spare fuses stored inside the service cap. With the service cap off, we're now able to connect the USB adapter cable to the DCU and the USB stick. We can now power on the DCU. On the bearing page, we can now see the USB icon is now lit at the bottom of the DCU. Let's check our current software version by going into Setup, and at the top we can see our current version is 3.06. Before updating, it's a good idea to back up all our settings. To do this, let's go to Service, Export Configuration, and Export All. This will save all configuration files to the USB stick and should take about a minute. We are now ready to update the DCU. To do this, we're going to go into Update DCU. On this page, we can see our current and new version, and pressing Start Update begins the process. This process takes about 5 minutes, but could take a little longer. During this process, it is very important not to touch or move the DCU. Once the update is finished, you'll see a message saying the DCU was successfully updated, and we can restart the DCU by pressing the power button. Once reset, let's confirm our software version has updated. Your settings should have carried over from the update, but if they have not, we can always restore them by importing that configuration that we had made. Let's load configuration and import all. Finally, let's remove the USB stick and screw back in the service cap. Congratulations, you have successfully updated your RT-500-M DCU. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Roth Data International.